meet out here in Fort Lauderdale. It's I think Skylines and Supras, but you guys know the BMWs got to take over. We're about to head over there. The whole crew's gonna meet up, so stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a great time. You guys know how it is. Pre-meet before the actual meet. We're here at the typical Wawa. So we got Deanie, I think he's pulling in right after us. So I think that's it, right?
He's in the bathroom.
Johnny's in the bathroom.
Deanie, 5 minutes.
We got the girls outside today. Yeah. Boy. Hey, that's our security, bro. That's our security. I always like, you got me waiting in the hood.
Yo, you weren't lying about coffee all the time, dog.
Bro,
crazy.
I'm a regular, bro.
I was like, sneakers for real?
I know where you guys are safe,
Yo,
bro.
that's crazy.
I called it.
The hood's on either side of 95. This is cool.
Yeah, I mean, that side over there.
Our bodyguard is here, so we're good to go.
Nobody's gonna mess with nobody.
No.
Big Johnny, bro. Every time I see you go bigger, dog. Damn.
Getting it in, dog.
How much you maxing out, bro? For real? Like 300 something? 400 pounds?
I don't work out for that. You gotta remember, after a while.
You can't be flinching like that, bro. I jumped too.
When I was young, I was throwing weight around crazy left and right. But you get to a certain age where you know you train carefully.
Maintain.
Yeah.
Right. No, carefully you train. So
gym-
you know what? I'll push myself. I'll do 225 at incline, 10 sets to 10.
Yeah.
10 sets to 12.
I got a lot of pain now on my shoulder.
Oh, my shoulder. This shoulder.
Yeah.
I gotta warm
Supra.
up. I gotta warm up here.
That's a fucking micro.
Yo, you were on the machine.
B58, bro. It's a Beamer. It's a
Wait,
Beamer.
the girl.
He was using in his gym.
Probably go to the same spot. Right?
Probably, yeah.
Amazing machines, bro. Yo, those machines are
You
awesome.
have that shoulder machine that goes like that, right? That you stand and you go like that?
I go to 3 different gyms.
There he is. I think he's looking at me. What happened?
I'm trying to stay single, dog.
Oh,
You guys are putting that pressure on me now.
we brought the wifeys out today.
Hey, you guys are putting that pressure on me. When my Colombians come out with me. You have to make that call. Yo, listen.
That's hilarious. That boy had a whole tri-county trip.
Bro, I'm on tour right now.
How are you?
What do you call you? How are you?
How are you?
You good yourself?
Good.
We got the whole lineup. Let's see what the turnout's like. Got the food trucks outside. Damn, it looks kind of packed, not gonna lie. Let's see where we can park though. Guys, look at this parking situation here. Got the Beamers on the sidewalk. We got the rest of the familia over there. Crazy turnout right now. A lot of people coming in, but the main VIPs are inside, so we're gonna show you guys that. Got food trucks, all of it. Straight vibes out here. We got the Gray brothers right here. I think I stepped on some dogs. No, I didn't.
Very close.
Damn. The Turbo S. The GT3 RS, guys. Straight vibes. Look at this, guys. Look at that Supra coming out too. Clean NSX. That's a Civic. Yeah, that's a Civic. An EF. E92. Guys, there's a mixture of everything. Germans, JDMs, all of the, even a Cybertruck, bro. Wild. We're gonna go in there in just a sec. There's music in here, so you might get a lot of B-roll. Look at that. Look at that tire on that thing. Jeez. And this one right here. I have a love for Supras. Look at that Skyline. Wow. There it is, guys. The dream car. Up close. You can almost touch it, but I'm not gonna touch it. You know, we had to support small local businesses. Slushies, mojitos. Got this for the wifey. It's a Hialeah Vice. How is it? She doesn't want to be on camera, guys. She's shy. Johnny got that nice spot under the lights. And then we got Patrick right here. And then Alfred, the two Batmobiles. We got a Supra on this side. This thing is clean. This thing is mint. Look at that. Wow. And you know he's pushing some nice power. Look at that paint. Guys, let's see what's behind this door. Let's see what's behind this door. Look at this. Whole bunch of GTRs and Supras. Damn, this is sick. I might have to, like I said, do some B-roll because of all the music. But we're gonna take a little stroll around and see what they got going on. Look at this, coming in right here. A whole bunch of GTRs. That was the meat, Skylines and GTRs. I mean, Skylines and Supras. Look at the Supras on this side. Wow, whole bunch of clean builds. This is F240. Oh, there you are. Yeah, I know. Another R34. Guys, this is like one of the Japanese beats. MTEX F340. This thing is pushing like 1200. Just look, a whole bunch of turbos. Single turbo setups. Guys, look at this drive it. G80. Damn. Those wheels are clean. You like those wheels? It's kind of fire. Look at this. Guys, there's just... It's JDM galore. Wow. Look at this NSX. Very clean. OEM. And it's available. Look at that. Ready for somebody to do something with it. It already has work wheels too. This goes hard. This is hard, guys. What? On the B-locks? Oh my goodness. This is tough. This is something you don't see every day. And he clips. Yep, there it is. It's hiding in there, guys. This is so sick. S2000. That's what I just said. You don't see it every day.
So rare ass.
Mine was a red one in keep.
Yeah. This thing is crazy. The Sylvia. Yeah.
Way too much.
Yep.
Look at this shit. They got cars upstairs too, though.
Super clean.
Oh, it's a GSX.
Guys, look at this. Oh, this is Pauly's. This is Pauly's CS. Single turbo, the first one. CS, guys. Oh my goodness. This man is wild. Where's he at? Oh, he's got the stock he's on. Damn, bro. This is wild. This is an experience for you guys. That's crazy. And then we got Psycho Porsche. Look at that Turbo S on the BBSs. That thing, bro. There's nothing but quality out here. Oh my goodness. Little Nismo action. GTR. And let's look at this Supra. Damn. Look at that engine bay, guys. That turbo is ginormous. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at this GS, guys. C Money Garage. Look at that turbo. Oh. Got a Shelby. Is this a chaser, guys? I don't know. VIP status. Wow. That turbo. Oh my. That's like going for the heat. It's an MK3 Supra. We're getting closer to the music, so don't be surprised if I start doing B-roll, guys. Just look at all. God, my goodness. That's a clean one right there. Oh, that's TVB. Very nice. Look at this R33. Silver. Ooh. Supra channel. You guys seen this in previous videos on the CCWs. Look at that size of that turbo. Look how clean the engine bay is, guys. Oh my goodness. This is just a piece of art. Forget Miami Art Basel. The art is right here. Look at this one too. And this midnight purple it looks like. These are some of the cleanest builds I've ever seen. That boy Fahim just pulled up in the R8. I missed it. Hey, do it again. Do it again. That boy hit that Kodak pose right here. That boy hit the Kodak pose right here. Oh look, Patrick's about to drop a mixtape on the hood of the car. Yo, Pat, you dropping a mixtape? Posing on the car.
What's this guy been?
Who, me?
I know you.
I've been looking for you the whole time. Look at the model, bro. Nah, that's in that shot. There you go. GQ. Guys, look at this S2K.
Brian.
Guys, we're on the second floor now. Let's see what they got. With the Sao Paulo M4 with the Yas buckets. Got the Civic Type R. Very clean. Another Supra up here hiding. Oh, we found this one too. E90 4-door M3. Murdered out. All black, guys. These are so nice. V8. You guys already know. This is the best sounding M3 in my opinion.
You know the clip where you said, all right, we're on the second floor? Delete all of that.
Let's see what kind of shot we get from here. You could kind of see the cars. Let's see if we can catch some guys leaving. That boy got his girl guiding him. You good, you good. Huh? Maybe like right here. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think. It was honestly a great event. It was mad chill, whole bunch of quality builds, JDMs, all of that. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.